Sobrang lakas niya makasosyal. Okay, for today, we are gonna talk about the things that stood out for me for the Huawei Nova Y91. And ang pinaka-winner talaga dito is the aesthetic of the phone. I fell in love with it just by opening the phone. Ibang-iba yung design niya from the other phones that we usually see. As you can see, it doesn't have the usual square type na camera design, but it has the starry circle in the center and then evenly placed din yung cameras niya, which I really like. And one more thing about the starry circle of this camera design, if mag-change yung lighting niya, the color actually varies. So maganda rin paglaruan looking at the phone. And one more thing that I liked about the design is yung back panel niya. It's so elegant, it's so sleek, and very, very minimal. Kung hahawakan nyo siya, syempre hindi nyo siya mahawakan ngayon, but it has a sandy texture, which is very, not common with matte phones. Others are just flat yung colors nila, pero with the sandy finish of this phone, maganda siyang hawakan. And syempre, wala ring fingerprints na naiiwan whenever you touch the phone. Okay, let's talk about the cameras because I know na yun yung itatanong nyo sa akin kung kamusta ba yung cameras. The camera that we have is a 50 megapixel AA main shooter and meron siyang super night mode and AA snapshots. Meron nga lang siyang tendency for the shots to become grainy, pero if titimplahin nyo siya on how close you are to the subject and kung maganda yung lighting nyo, you can get great shots with this phone. As you can see on this photo, medyo low light yung conditions natin dito, but it looks pretty great. The only thing though, kung i-zoom in mo siya, dun mo makikita na the photo is kind of grainy, pero all in all, it's a great shot if you're gonna use it for social media. Pagdating naman sa selfies, pinapaganda ka niya. That's the great thing about this phone, which I really love. If you love taking selfies, you will enjoy taking photos with this camera. Another downside na nakita ko with this phone, because I like taking pictures a lot, is that meron ka lang 2x zoom and up until 10x zoom, pero wala kang ultra-wide. But if you're okay with that shot variation, then okay na yung phone na to for you. Number 2 thing na nagustuhan ko about this phone is it's the perfect body for binge watching. It has a huge 6.95-inch full-view display na perfect sa panonood nyo ng videos. Maganda din yung grip niya, it's not too heavy, and ang maganda dito, it has cinematic sound. It can go up until 300 times maximum volume. The colors are super punchy and super vibrant. I really enjoy the display of this phone. And to test kung gaano ba kaganda yung display ng phone na to, I rewatched a lot of shows like Lord of the Rings Extended Edition. And in fairness, it still had enough juice in it para mag-rewatch pa ako ng season 1 ng Jujutsu Kaisen kasi syempre may bagong season na parating. Plus, one more thing na maganda kapag malaki ang screen mo, syempre kapag video calls, perfect na to para sa video calls mo kasama ng jowa mo. And number 3 na nagpabilib sa akin about this phone is the massive battery power that it has. This baby has 7,000 mAh. That would surely support yung binge watching nyo. As I have mentioned, Lord of the Rings Extended Edition, guys, it's 3 hours and 30 minutes. Tas may time pa akong mag-binge watch for other animes. That's a lot of power. And not only with watching videos, pero perfect din to for gaming. It has a Snapdragon 680 processor and also a 270Hz TSR. So, okay na to. Pag naglalaro kayo ng Mobile Legends and Call of Duty, sobrang immersive ng paglalaro mo. It's very responsive and mas mabilis mo mapapaandar yung characters mo. At kung naubusan ka pa ng battery, kakanood mo ng videos at kakalaro mo ng games, don't worry kasi meron kang 22.5 watts supercharge that will charge your phone fast. So all in all, masasabi ko na if you are looking for a phone na sobrang okay yung aesthetic niya and it is a well-rounded phone, this might be the perfect match for you, especially for students na malapit na mag-back to school. I think this phone will be very helpful for you in taking videos, taking photos, taking notes, and even playing games during the weekends. Huwag lang kayo laro ng cellphone dahil pagagalitan kayo ng nanay niyo. And if you're a stylish person, I think this might be the perfect fit for you. Pwede mo siya gamitin sa premiere ng Barbie film. Kahit mukhang Oppenheimer siya, very stylish pa rin siya at bonggang-bongga pa rin siya pag nilabas mo siya to take pictures with the Barbie icons. Unfortunately, while filming this video, wala pa sa amin kung magkano nga ba yung price ng phone na to. Pero don't worry, dahil i-announce namin yan the soonest na malaman namin in other of our social media platforms, and we will also leave it in our comments below para malaman nyo na and mapag-decidean nyo na if this phone is the perfect fit for you. And that's it for me for this video for today. My name is Ruth of UnboxPH, and if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And aalis na ako because manunod pa ako ng Attack on Titan. I'm gonna binge watch with this phone. Bye!